Hello, my name is Alex, and if you want to know if Folexin works, watch the end of this video because today I'm going to tell you important information that you need to know about this supplement before you buy it. The first thing you need to know is that Folexin is only sold on the official site, so be very careful with the site where you're going to buy the supplement so you don't fall into any kind of fraud. To help you, I've left the official site link here below in the description of this video. After all, what is Folexin and does it really work? After scientific studies and laboratory tests, researchers have discovered an all-natural formula that can support overall hair health. Biotin works with specific enzymes in your body to support the development of certain proteins involved in maintaining strong, healthy hair. Key ingredients that support hair growth include iron, vitamins A and C, zinc, silicon, and the B vitamin complex. Did you know that your hair is constantly tested by the elements? Chlorine pools, UV rays from the sun, smoking, and alcohol can all affect your hair. Optimal nutrition can help you maintain optimal health and support the strength and quality of healthy hair. This is why Folexin includes vitamins, minerals, and natural herbal extracts and is used to maintain healthy hair. So yes, Folexin really works and you can use it safely because Folexin's formula is natural and causes no risk to your health. In fact, thousands of people are having great results, and if you use it correctly, you can too. But to get results with Folexin, you need to take it the right way. So you should take 2 capsules a day, every day. You can't forget to take it, because if you forget it can hinder your results. By making the correct use of Folexin, you can have results already in the first month of use. But the experts recommend that you do not take Folexin within 1 hour after taking the medicines. Do not exceed the recommended dose. Nutritional products tend to work gradually, but it really depends on the individual. Some customers started seeing results within a few weeks and others started noticing the effects after a few months. Another very important thing about Folexin that you need to know is that you can actually test to see the results, because when you purchase this supplement, you have a full money-back guarantee. So if for any reason you are unhappy with the product, you can ask for your money back without any problem. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website where you will buy the product, and also to tell you that you should take the treatment seriously. Take Folexin every day to really get results. I hope this video helped you, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below.